welcome to episode 26 of the Gladiator Fit Philosophies YouTube channel and podcast. Hope y'all are doing good, hope life's going good, a lot of things going on. I'm not going to go into detail, but today we're going to have a discussion about the 5 ways you could naturally optimize your testosterone. And no drugs involved, nothing invasive. Actually, most of these things pretty much anyone can do. Just remember that testosterone is a hormone, just like estrogen, just like many of the other hormones in your body. It has a very important effect in, helping you maintain muscle mass and help you lose weight as well as your energy levels. So both males and females have various different levels of testosterone, and there's millions of different reasons why, some genetic, some environmental, but overall the quest for becoming a better, healthier version of yourself should include increasing your natural testosterone levels and optimizing it the best you can, honestly, male or female. So I'm gonna list at least 5 different ways you can naturally optimize your testosterone. So the first one is pretty much a given. It's get adequate rest. So sleep is not only vital for your overall health and, so many thousands of different functions in your body, it's when your body naturally detoxifies and hormones are replenished, they're replaced, and it's a restorative process. It's very important for your system to rest, your brain to rest, and ideally you want to get 7 to 8 hours per night. That's ideal. Obviously, in the world we live in, a lot of people don't get that, but if you can, optimize 7 to 8 hours, excellent sleep will naturally increase your testosterone. There are hundreds of studies on this process, and on the flip side, studies have also shown that the lack of sleep can significantly reduce your body's free testosterone. And this just adds to the laundry list of other issues, dealing with sleep deficiency. So should go without saying, but getting adequate rest is vital for optimizing testosterone. So the second way to naturally optimize your testosterone is to avoid extremely long distance aerobic cardio. So I'm talking like Lance Armstrong type of biking. A few miles is actually healthy for you, but I'm talking like, once you start going into, very large quantities of miles, your cortisol levels are raised. You got to think too, there's a reason why Lance Armstrong was using steroids, and it's, because the running or the biking for a very long time drastically raises your cortisol levels, which immediately kill the free testosterone in your system. So I always tell people to try and, opt for anaerobic exercises like something like box jumps or medicine ball throws, something like battle ropes, sprinting, pushing weight sleds, stepping on a, platform or a box, doing stair sprints, and you could also do sprints uphill. And another really good anaerobic exercise as well is you could also do jump rope. And there's so many different ways to train to optimize this, and you want to stick to compound movements. But in short, extremely long distance running or extremely long distance biking is not a good way to optimize the natural testosterone in your system. And the third way to increase your testosterone is try and avoid cans and bottles too with BPA, which is short for biphenyl phosphate, as well as other plastic coatings of different kind. And the research has shown that BPA in cans have been linked to increased estrogen, and what that does is it disrupts your hormones, it kills a lot of your testosterone. Estrogen lowers testosterone, at least free testosterone. Plastic itself is linked to numerous health issues. It's horrible for the environment. It can lead to fertility issues, hormonal issues, attention. The literature on this is vast. And, plastic has now been shown in human DNA, and we're finding it in generations after. So I want to also say the fourth way to naturally increase your testosterone is to eat healthy, unprocessed foods. And I know this sounds like some basic advice, but in the world we live in the idea of, what the average person eats in the United States, it's a very important reminder. Now, you want to eat preferably omnivorous diets with organically grown fresh fruits and vegetables, high quality farm fresh, high quality meat, grass fed, grass finished, preferably from a regenerative farm, preferably one that sequesters carbon. And this will naturally increase your testosterone and overall health as your hormones and your immune system will be nourished. And I have different videos on ways to get vitamin A, vitamin C, and optimizing foods to do that. And it's very critical that you prepare it yourself and it's unprocessed. I really can't stress that enough. I mean, convenience is one thing, but you can, in a very cheap budget, eat extremely healthy, and a lot of people can access that. Even people in food deserts have access to certain produce. But I'll do another video actually about how people in food deserts, or people who don't have much money, how they can actually access healthy food. And number 5, another natural way to increase your testosterone is to reduce your overall stress. I know that really just sounds like an oxymoron and just like a basic, like, oh yeah, obviously, but this is the thing. There's so many different ways we hold on to stress, and stress naturally kills your free testosterone. So if you can, in a natural way, in a healthy way, I'm not telling you to pop a bunch of Oxycontin, but if you can naturally reduce your stress, add activities in, do some kind of art, some kind of sex, some kind of exercise, find activities that help you feel grounded, because the reality is we all have different levels of stress. We all just deal with it differently and process it differently, so you have to find activities and things that are conducive for you to find that peace. So I hope this helped you out. I feel like most people can do these 5 things, but I have plenty of more content and things coming out, so much appreciated. And if you're here right now, might as well give this video a like. It'll help with the algorithm, and I'm gonna keep coming with heat. Much love, much appreciated.